This video will be to replace the flow meter on your espresso machine. Power off and unplug your machine. Remove any parts and accessories, including the water tank and drip tray. Let's begin by removing the 2 screws near the brew head circled in red. On the back of the machine, unscrew and remove the screws towards the top of the back panel. Remove the round tab located near the water tank area. Then remove the screw underneath. Once the screws have been removed, lift and remove the top cover. Gently pull away the back panel. Disconnect the silicone tube to remove the back panel from the machine. Let's remove the old flow meter. Disconnect the 2 silicone tubes from the flow meter. Then disconnect the plastic connector. Unscrew and remove the screw circled in red to remove the flow meter from the machine. Remove the old flow meter from the mounting plate. Align and insert the replacement flow meter, ensuring it is properly secured to the mounting plate. Let's reinstall the flow meter back onto the machine. First, reattach the plastic connector to the flow meter. Reinsert the screw back onto the mounting plate. Then reattach the 2 silicone tubes to the flow meter. Reattach the silicone tube near the water tank to the back panel. Then reassemble the back panel and top cover. Reinsert the screw and plastic tab near the water tank area. Then reinsert the screws onto the back of the machine. To complete reassembling the machine, reinsert the 2 screws near the brew head.